How to add holiday on Workfolio. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. Once you're signed into Workfolio, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to see Manage Holiday. You're going to tap on that. Then you'll tap on Add Holiday in the top right hand corner. From there, you can choose the holiday date. So let's say for example the 4th of July, or better yet, let's say for example the 18th of July. After doing that, you can put in the name of the holiday, so I'll just call it test. Then you can select whether it will be for the full day, half day. Then you can select public holiday, office holiday, floater holiday, whichever one of these holiday types. So we're going to be selecting office holiday. Then you're going to tap on add holiday. And that's it. As you can see right there, we have now added our first holiday. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.